Ladies and gentlemen, in the previous videos, we learned how to fix payment info, about personal info and tax info, right? So now let us go on users. Also, you should manage users of your AdSense here on this section. Do you see? Remember, and as you see that this name here is different from this one. Do you see? And you should make sure that your information are correct, are matched to each other, so that they can not prohibit you to get your PIN, verification PIN, right? So that you can continue with this verification check, because you can't reach here without fix these issues. Here for payment users, we can just also update it based on this information provided in tax info. So you click on manage payment users here, then we fix our information. So here we just click here on this drop down icon, and as you see here, we can just update it by just clicking here. For names, remember, names are in capital letters, not in lowercase. This one is this one, instead of lowercase here is this one. Then phone number is correct, then email is this one, also correct. Then permissions, admin with all permissions because it's mine. Then nothing to complete here. Mail preference or paying mail, can just accept that this email will receive all mailing, right? All emails will be sent here on this email, right? So after making sure that you fill out this your name correct and your phone number correct, email correct, so that they are matching with one submitted in tax info. Then in this step you can just save your change here. You click on it, save, then you done. You see, everything is clear now. I think you see that now our names are matching with what we used in our tax info, right? So once I come back here in settings, and let me show you now how updated. Do you see now our Niyonkuru Gervais is now matching with this one in tax? Do you see in tax info? Do you see? And also, of course, email is already stated. Do you see? So this is how you can manage users of your AdSense, but also you can add other users if you have a partner. For example, if it's for your organization or just a business, you can just add more than one user. But for me, it's just mine, so that's why I just one user. Do you see? So thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues. And also, if you have any question or any challenge to fill this payment info, please let me know in the comment section. So we will continue with now verification check. After fix this payment info, now we will verify our Google AdSense so that you can start earn money from YouTube. So thank you. See you in the next lesson.